5-digit number learning project for 4th standard. Objective: students to understand and apply the concept of 5-digit numbers by identifying place values, reading and writing numbers in numerals and words, forming new numbers using given digits, and comparing and arranging them in order. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55,555. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2,345.